Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device, so basically how to manage a Google account. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the option Other Accounts. Of course, here we've got whole Google section and we can add or remove a Google account using it, obviously, but I personally prefer to do it using Other Accounts. So let me tap on it and simply tap on Add Account. Choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright. Let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with this first option and let me tap on next. Right here we can check the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. All you have to do is to simply tap on it and you will be able to check the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you have any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.